What's going on, everybody? Titan pressure washing here. Hopefully my gloves are not in the view. I'm doing Softwash roof, 2,800 square feet. And now the wind's starting to pick up, so I'm gonna try to give you guys a nice little video here. Working my way down. You can work your way up as well, just depends on the direction of the wind. You can see it flash over, and when it flashes over, it creates chlorine gas. This is not chlorine bleach. This is sodium hypochlorite. This is exactly what's supposed to be up here, recommended by all roof manufacturers. Start filling the little blanks, get the other sides. And here at Titan, we don't want to get off the roof until this thing's absolutely clean. Barrel tiles are one of the hardest roofs to clean. If you're in the industry, you already know what I mean. Down here in South Florida, Stuart, I'm knocking it out today. Got a couple homes, second one today, rocking it right now. I can't go too far down because the chlorine gas will come over and I'm recording, and I'll have to put my mask on if I get in the bleach field. Just giving you guys a little look-see at what we do. Probably one of the most requested videos we've done so far is soft washing on a roof, on a really dirty roof. People love this. So if you like, share, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I know it looks like a lot, but it's not much coming off this roof. Got a really thick surfactant in here. Trying to hold my breath a little bit, the wind was coming at me. Perfect sauce, perfect combination. I'm calling it sauce, it's actually surfactant. The mix that's coming out right now. We've got a proportioner that allows us to dial in for whatever needs your roof or commercial property has. So I'm getting it up there. I'm moving a little bit fast today because there are some thunderstorms and stuff in the distance. Yeah, we're just going right along. I'm going to have to go up and see how the wind's bending over. End cap right here. So I'm going to have to go up there and do that when I'm not filming. And you always want to be downwind or upwind if you can, or next to where your target is when you spray. You don't want to get this stuff all over your legs. I'm out here in shorts actually at the moment. I'm just going to town, just trying to get all the surfaces wet. Move fast enough, you'll end up skipping spots. This is actually kind of for the pace that we need to be at. This is about 500 square feet a minute at that pace. And of course, it's not all gonna become clean that quick. So we'll let that wait. Anyway, till the next time, guys. Titan pressure washing, titanpw.com. It's a website. TitanPressureWashing.fl is our YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial-grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today. Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.